Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial series. In this video, we'll be discussing operators and aggregators, understanding what they are and how we can use them. So operators, they're your regular calculation guys: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You have to remember that whenever you're programming, that division doesn't have the sign slash anymore like in mathematics. It has a percentage sign, or what we call modulus. So please keep that in mind. For aggregators, we have the count, sum, average, mean, and maximum. So they help us summarize our data. And usually when you want to use them, you use an alias. An alias is AS, like that's the way you represent it. AS is going to shorten down the name and give it a new column name so that your result comes out in an orderly and neat manner. So if we're using the sum of A plus B is equals to C, our C should come out as a new column and it should have its own name. So we're going to write sum of A plus B as new column, and then the answer will be C, but our C will now have the name of the new column. So these are just the signs of the operators, just like we talked about: the addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus, and division. I just put in these two different ways of dividing so that you will not be confused along the line. And that's the end of this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and get ready for more videos. Thank you.